Today's February 7th. This is the 1967 Cadillac DeVille convertible vacuum power master switch for the air conditioning unit. This is the on-off switch that provides the electrical continuity for the blower motor of the air conditioning system. It is vacuum operated. I've gone ahead and connected the unit to battery along the two electrical poles, and I'm going to run my fingers across the back of the nozzles, and I have the fourth nozzle connected to the vacuum. Typically you'll have 3 vacuum hoses and the fourth one plugged up in most applications on most of the Cadillacs. When the vacuum is applied, the click switch is depressed, and that provides the electrical continuity to the two wires here. So I've connected it to a little light bulb, and when the switch provides the electrical continuity, we'll see the light bulb go on, indicating as though the vacuum switch is operating. So I'll go ahead and run my fingers across the back to provide sealed vacuum. I'll pump up the vacuum. You can see I've applied 9 pounds of pressure, and it's holding on the dial right at 9 pounds, so it's got good vacuum integrity, and the light bulb comes on. As soon as I release it, the light bulb comes off, and the vacuum plunger fully expands. I'll go ahead and do it one more time, running my fingers across the back to provide vacuum seal. Apply the pump. You can see how the diaphragm collapses. It collapses at about 7 pounds this time. We've got constant pressure at 7 pounds looking at the dial, and the light comes on. And when I release it, it fully expands. So that's the original vintage GM Cadillac vacuum master switch for the air conditioning system. And this will be going to my friend Billy in New York. Today is February 7th. Thank you very kindly. Let's just take a look.